Hello friends, now we see the problem number 7, which is based on first principle of derivative of chapter differentiation. The problem number 7 is if f is a real valued function defined by f of x is equal to x cube plus 4x plus 3, then find f dash 1 and f dash 3. Now let's see the solution. First we start with f of x is equal to x cube plus 4x plus 3. Then we find f of x plus h. It means whenever x we have to write x plus h. So that equal to x plus h the whole cube plus 4 in bracket x plus h plus 3. Then by using first principle of derivative, we have the formula that f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x whole thing divided by h. Now here we have to substitute the corresponding values. So we get limit h tends to 0 x plus h the whole cube plus 4 in bracket x plus h plus 3. So this we substitute for f of x plus h, that is in one bracket, and then minus for fx we substitute x cube plus 4x plus 3, finally bracket complete, and then whole thing divided by h. So that equal to limit h tends to 0. Now here we have to split up the bracket first by using a plus b whole cube formula. So by using that formula we have x cube plus 3x square h plus 3x h square plus h cube. Then we have to multiply x plus h the bracket by 4, so we get 4x plus 4h plus 3. So this is simplification of first brackets. Then second bracket we have to open with minus sign, so we get minus x cube minus 4x minus 3, and then whole thing divided by h. So that equal to limit h tends to 0. Now here we cancel plus x cube minus x cube, then plus 4x minus 4x plus 3 minus 3, and then from remaining brackets we take h common. So we have h in bracket 3x square plus 3xh plus h square plus 4 in the numerator, and whole thing divided by h. That equal to limit h tends to 0. Now here we cancel h from numerator and denominator, stating the reason that since h tends to 0, it means h not equal to 0. It means we cancel h from numerator and denominator. Now here we left with the term that 3x square plus 3xh plus h square plus 4. The next step is we have to substitute the limit as h tend to 0. So the next step is equal to 3x square plus 3x into 0 plus 0 the whole square and plus 4. So on simplifying this, we get 3x square. 3x into 0 gives 0. 0 square also 0 plus 4. So in this way, we get f dash x is equal to 3x square plus 4. Now here our first question is f dash 1. So for that purpose, we put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. So we get f dash 1 that equal to 3 in bracket 1 square plus 4 that equal to, now 1 square 1 multiply by 3 3 plus 4 that equal to 7. So in this way we get f dash 1 is equal to 7. Now to find f dash 3, we have to put x equal to 3 in equation 1. So we have f dash 3 is equal to 3 in bracket 3 square plus 4. That is, now 3 square 9. 9 into 3 27 plus 4. And that equal to 31. So in this way f dash 3 is equal to 31. Finally, hence f dash 1 that equal to 7 and f dash 3 that equal to 31. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.